The convolution operation.
In the last video, we said CNNs use small filters that slide across images. Let us see exactly how this works. A filter, also called a kernel, is a small grid of numbers, typically 3 by 3 or 5 by 5. Each number is a learnable weight. Think of it as a tiny pattern detector. Different values in the filter detect different patterns.
Here is how it works. Place the filter on the top left corner of the input image. Multiply each filter value with the corresponding pixel value. Then sum up all the products. That single number is the output for this position. Now slide the filter one step to the right. Repeat, multiply, and sum. Keep sliding until the filter has covered every position.
Let us do a concrete example. We have a 5 by 5 input and a 3 by 3 filter. Place the filter at the top left. The element-wise products are 3 times 0, 3 times 1, 2 times 2, 0 times 2, 0 times 2, 1 times 0, 3 times 0, 1 times 1, 2 times 2. Adding these up gives 12. That is our first output value. Sliding across all positions gives us a 3 by 3 output grid.
So the convolution operation is simple. Take a small filter, slide it across the input. At each position, multiply and sum. The result is a new grid called a feature map. Different filters detect different features, like edges, corners, or textures. In the next video, we will look at the output size formula and some problems that arise.